Angelique snuck off and went down to the pool without me this morning because she couldn't handle the fact that I was more tan than she is. So I snuck out after and went and got my coffee without her because I know how madly it's going to piss her off.
Making me get Taco Bell.
Wow, sell me under the bus already? I haven't even show them where we are.
Oahu.
We're going to North Shore today like we promised. We don't know how the weather's going to be, but it's looking quite promising. It's sunny where we are, but every now and then it rains.
So we have traveled from down here at Waikiki to somewhere around central Oahu. It literally says central Oahu.
Oh, literally just like farmland. But we're taking this little blue road here, and we're gonna come up on North Shore up here. What do you want? One second.
Anything else?
Oh yeah, one more thing. Hold on. You're so bad. She had so much willpower pulling in here.
I want a burrito, but ask her what comes in the burrito supreme. I'm so confused. What comes in the 7-layer burrito? Just give me a chicken quesadilla.
Looking through comments is a lot harder now because you guys have gotten like hella active the last few days, so
which is a lot of fun.
It's great, but now like looking back to try to find the comments, like we're looking through like 700 comments versus like 100. You guys mentioned a fish taco place and a shrimp place. I told you that I would try your recommendations, and I wasn't lying. We're trying them today as soon as we can find.
But we got here, comments. And there are a lot of food trucks that say shrimp and fish tacos.
We thought there'd be like one famous shrimp truck. Nope. We've passed like 6 or 7 shrimp cars that all say world famous. So we don't know who's the most famous.
I like the hat.
My hat is bomb. I know.
Okay, it was Giovanni's shrimp truck.
Giovanni, we haven't passed that one.
Are you sure it wasn't in that little loop?
I didn't see it.
I don't know though.
And did you see the other thing? The fish tacos?
May not have been on this video or it's mixed in.
Okay.
I'm still on that one video.
Jack Maloney. Jack Maloney, I read your comment, it was yours, and you said this is what you believe are the best fish tacos. So thank you. We're gonna see if you were right or extremely wrong.
Mm-hmm. Much better than
Good looking out, bro. Good looking out, bro. Best fish taco I've ever had. Look at that. Holy crap. Sorry guys, that was Giovanni's shrimp place. We just saw it, but the line literally looked like somewhere in LA. Like the line was just, it was massive. You were absolutely right. I bet that's the best shrimp in the world, but we don't have time for that today. Okay, quick change of plans. So we were driving down towards the beach, and then we passed somewhere that actually I remembered from a comment. I didn't see it today. I have no idea who recommended it, but I remember someone said if you saw Matsumoto's shaved ice, you have to stop. And I honestly just saw this place because it's got probably 100-person line in front of it. I've never waited for shaved ice, so this is gonna be a first. "45 minutes later, we have made it inside. This better be the best damn shaved ice in the world."
I don't understand how coconut cream is hot pink.
I don't understand how you want to get a flavor of shaved ice just for a picture of it.
Duh.
All right, we're gonna test out why we stood in the world's longest line for shaved ice.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
That's really good.
I don't even like.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna admit that I did not get this to eat. I got this to take a picture with, and this is really good. Wow.
Okay. All right, that was worth the line. Thank you guys so much for the recommendations today. They've all been absolutely bomb. Okay, so this is gonna be one of my riskier drone flights. That's why I'm vlogging it before I've even flown. So the objective of today's drone flight right now, those freaking awesome windmills. The problem with those windmills are they're at the top of the hill, and the only reason they're spinning so fast is because of, yep, the wind. It's extremely windy up there. The rain is coming in any second, which means I'll be able to get the drone up there, but I don't know if I'll be able to get it back. But come on, windmills in Hawaii, I kinda gotta try. It's raining, but that's not why I'm freaking out. Not only did I get it up there, I flew it over to the beach that way, and I couldn't see on my monitor, like I kept losing signal, so I was just trying to get to not turn around, so I kept flying it towards the beach. Well, I got it out over the beach, it turned off, it disconnected, that was all fine. When it came back, when the picture came back, I was in between 3 power lines. Like literally like power line here, right in front of the camera, and I go whoom, straight through the middle. If I had hit those, props done, I would have just fallen in the water. I don't even know, it might have been a glitch on my screen, they might not have even been there, but I'm like freaking out because if they were there, like I literally, God saved me. That wasn't even like, oh, I got lucky, like that was like, there's no scenario where I should have been able to get through those once and then come back through again. I think those are my favorite drone shots from the trip, except for locals were screaming at me to go home the whole time. Oh, I think I said it last time I was here. It's a good thing Hawaiians have very bad aim, because they were throwing rocks again. Oh, that's pipeline. This is pipeline. I'm almost positive. So I was here in Pipeline last winter and the waves were massive, but look at them now. Flat as nothing. Somewhere over the rainbow, that's where I'll be.
That's not what the song is.
Isn't it not? Holy shit! Look, all the way, that is the biggest rainbow I've ever seen in my entire life.
Whoa.
That is a massive, massive.
Oh my gosh, there's a double rainbow and it's showing up.
Holy crap, there's a double rainbow! A legit double rainbow!
I can see.
A legit double rainbow.
Beginning to end.
Twins, Basil! Twins! Twin rainbows and it's raining. No. I gotta get.
Oh my gosh, it's so bright out there.
I just gotta get right back on the other side of the rain and I can launch a drone and I can get that double rainbow. Holy shit, I want to capture it like a Pokemon! Oh my god. Somewhere there's 2 big rainbows. I'm gonna get them, you'll see. Is there a double?
Rainbows, ones. It's very milky now.
Oh. I tried, guys.
Yeah, now they're really gone.
I very rarely fail you. I failed you. I'm sorry. I missed my chance. I could have been something. I could have been the double rainbow guy. Do you feel that? I'm like a loser.
This goes to show them how much you love rainbows.
I just love getting cool shots. It's not about the rainbow. I would have done the same thing if we saw a jellyfish. Angelique doesn't believe me that mahi-mahi is dolphin.
I've never heard that, and I've been eating mahi-mahi forever.
How much do you want to bet? I'll bet you $200.
No, I'm not betting you $200.
$100.
No.
I could be bluffing.
I'll bet you dinner.
Okay. Mahi-mahi, dolphin fish. Boom, son.
What?
Mahi-mahi is dolphin.
Since when?
Since forever.
No, I don't believe it.
Mahi-mahi is dolphin.
No, mahi-mahi's not dolphin. I've never eaten a dolphin.
It is a dolphin.
No.
It's just not flipper.
Okay, no, you made me sound like I was crazy and I ate dolphin.
You did.
I've never eaten an actual little dolphin.
Yeah, you have.
Like swim in the back of a dolphin. No.
Yes.
No.
Baby, you haven't eaten flipper, but you ate a dolphin. That is called dolphin. It is a dolphin.
I don't believe you.
Baby, you're looking at a picture of it with dolphin under it. You don't have to believe me.
That's not a dolphin.
It is. It's just not flipper. Let's go home. Say goodbye because we got 10 seconds and the card's over. Say goodbye, we love you.
Goodbye, we love you.
Tell
Have a
them
good
to subscribe.
night.
Consider
subscribe, consider, do all that chat. Love you, bye.
it. See you tomorrow, we love you!
That's not a dolphin.
It is. It's just not flipper. This conversation's over. I wonder if I can get the drone through there.